Okay, so just some theory about polygons. So a polygon is basically a shape which has three or more sides. So a triangle would be a polygon, a square, etc. because each of the shape have three or more sides. Okay, so what we're going to do is with the polygon, we need to know certain things about them, such as what is an interior angle of a polygon, the exterior angle of a polygon. So let me just draw what a polygon would, well, a usual one that we would work with. Okay, so here's a polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. And in this polygon you get interior angles. Interior angles. And these angles which occur on the inside of the polygon. So this would be an interior angle. So at each corner you would get an interior angle which is formed. Here's one again, here's another, here's another, here's another, and here's another. So an 8-sided shape would have 8 interior angles, one at every corner. So we could have this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this is polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H. So you just name a polygon in order of their corners or vertices. So an interior angle is an angle on the inside of a polygon. Therefore an exterior angle. So to get the exterior angle of a polygon, you just have to imagine that the sides of the polygon have been lengthened a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a little sort of dot to show that each side has been extended. So if CD is extended a bit, it would come out here. If DE was extended a bit, this would happen. E, this would happen. And if this side was extended, this side was extended, that and that one. Okay, so the exterior angle is the angle on this. Okay, whoops, sorry about that. Okay, so the exterior angle is the angle which is between this extended side and our actual side of a polygon. So exterior angle would form here, form there, there. Yeah, so basically between the side of your polygon and the extended side, your exterior angle is formed. So you've got to keep in mind that that is your interior on the inside and your exterior is on the outside. Okay. So a unique property that we do keep in mind about an interior and exterior angle is they're on a straight line, which means that if you take your interior angle and you add your exterior to it, you should get 180 degrees since it lies on a straight line. Okay, you should know that from your angle properties. Alright, so now we come to find out what each of these interior and exterior angles are if we had to solve for them. The first thing we have to do is know our formula. So first of all, if we want to find out what is the total or sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Okay, and this is the formula. N minus 2 times 180 degrees. This formula will tell us what is the total or sum of the interior angles of any polygon with n sides, where n is basically the total number of sides of your polygon. So if we have an 8-sided polygon here, the total interior angles, or the sum of the interior angles, will be equal to 8 minus 2, which is 6, times 180 degrees, which is 1080 degrees. Okay. So the total sum of the interior angles of an 8-sided shape is 1080 degrees. Now, if we want to find what a single angle is in this 8-sided shape, not basically the sum of all of them, but one angle by itself is, what we'd have to do is, since we have 8 angles on the inside of a polygon, say you had 10 suites and you want to divide them evenly between 5 people, you would just take the 10 and divide it by how many people you want to divide it between. So if you have 10 suites and you want to divide it between 5 people, 10 divided by 5, 2 suites per person. Okay, the same principle applies here. We have a total of 1080 degrees, which should be shared evenly between 8 angles. So 1080 degrees divided by 8, and that will give us what each angle is in the polygon, the interior angle. So 1080 divided by 8 is 135. So each interior angle in this polygon is 135 degrees all the way around, assuming that this polygon is a regular polygon, which means all its sides are the same length and all its angles are equal. So if we know that each interior angle is 135 degrees, what will be what would be a single exterior angle? Well, if we know an interior angle plus an exterior angle gives you 180 degrees, we know our interior is 135 degrees, plus our exterior should give us 180 degrees. Therefore, our exterior should be 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, which equals 45 degrees. So each exterior angle is 45 degrees. And we should know that another formula which is important, or just another common knowledge that we should have about polygons, is the sum or total of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. So we have 8 exterior angles, which are 45 degrees each. So 8 times 45 to get the total exterior angles, that should give us 360 degrees, which it does. Cool. So these are the basics. Interior plus exterior should give you 180 degrees. You should know the total interior angle of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of your polygon. And if you want to get each interior angle individually within your polygon, you just take the total divide it by how many angles you have, and you'll get each individual interior angle. And then once you have the interior angle, you can find the exterior via this method over here, as you can see, and then the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. And since we found that each exterior angle is 45 degrees, and we use the method where our interior we found was 135, and we know that our interior plus our exterior should give you 180 degrees, we found our exterior should be equal to 45 degrees. And to prove that it is correct, if we have 8 exterior angles and you add those 8 angles together, in other words 8 times an individual exterior angle, 8 times 45 should give you 360 degrees. Okay, cool. I hope this was alright. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.